Hey guys, this is Boris with BC Motorsports here. Got a '07 F150. Came in, had some noises with the timing chain, so did a full timing chain job on this thing, and got it all put back together. Went to start it. Well, I took the fuel pump fuse out so I could prime the oil system, make sure everything was lubricated before I fired her off. Put the fuel pump fuse back in, and went to crank it. Didn't start. Went to crank it again. Didn't start. Cranked it some more. She's still not starting, huh? And I probably spent a good hour and a half, looking through live data, checking everything over. I'm like, what is going on? It would not start. I was getting good fuel pressure. The engine turns over nice and smooth. Sounds like it's got good compression, but it just would not fire off, and I was getting frustrated. I was looking at everything and went ahead and decided to pull the cam position sensors out. Broke one of them stupid things, so now I'm just waiting on the parts delivery guy to come drop off a new one. They looked fine, and I'm just looking and looking and looking, and I just thought back to, I don't recall seeing the RPM gauge move when I'm cranking it. Sometimes, some cars, they're a little slow, so maybe it just wasn't showing. And I'm just like, oh man, what could it be? Well, sometimes you just have to laugh at yourself and just, bite it. And I'm being that stupid sucker right there, the crank position sensor. I had forgot to plug it back in. I mean, obviously right now it's plugged back in, but boy, it's just one of those things. You just gotta laugh and put everything back together.